Hello viewers, many users have bought iPad 10th generation but they don't know how to add wallpapers or how to download wallpapers from other sources. Today in this video I will teach you how you can get a very good apps and then you can use the lock screen or home screen. In your app store type backdrops, then install this backdrop wallpapers app on your iPad. After installing it, you have to give permissions for notifications and you have to allow the storage section so that the wallpapers that you download from this app gets downloaded in your gallery app. Once the app is launched, you can see that various wallpapers are there that you can actually download. Some wallpapers are free and some you have to be paid version or you have to watch ads, only then you can add those wallpapers to your gallery. Now you have to select set as wallpaper, and in this way you can set your wallpaper on your iPad. Sometimes what happens, suppose your iPad is out of warranty and you don't want to install the latest version of iPadOS and you need customization from other sources. In that case you can install this app and then add your wallpaper, but the orientation of the app is in portrait mode, so whenever you try to use those images as wallpaper they get cropped, and as a result of which you get a very cropped image or zoomed image. Actually the stock is very good. You can see there are tons of wallpapers that you can install on your iPad, and if you are using any iPhone, in that case also you can use these images. It gets saved in your gallery app. Many people actually ask me about various wallpapers that I install on my iPads. Actually I use this app very frequently and I use these wallpapers on my iPad 10th generation to give my iPad 10th generation a fresh feeling while using. Hope many users will be benefited by this video who don't know how to add wallpaper or how to install images as wallpaper on their iPads. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.